In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Taboola reports. We'll walk through exactly where to find your performance data, how to focus it with dates and filters, and how to organize the view so the most important metrics are front and center. Start in the Realize dashboard and head to the Campaigns tab. Think of this as your central reporting hub. By default, it shows performance across all your campaigns, so you immediately get a high-level snapshot of how everything is doing. You'll see a table of key metrics, and the goal here is to shape this view so it answers your specific questions without noise. A great first move is to set the date range. Choose a window like the last 7 days for a quick pulse on recent changes, or the last 30 days for a more stable trend line. Shorter ranges highlight fresh shifts in performance, while longer ranges help smooth out daily volatility and reveal patterns. Keep your date range consistent when you're comparing campaigns so you're looking at apples to apples. From there, you can zero in on one campaign to drill deeper. Select the specific campaign you want to analyze, and the dashboard will focus the results. This makes it easier to diagnose what's working within that campaign, rather than trying to interpret blended data from everything at once. It's especially useful when you're evaluating recent optimizations or creative updates for a single initiative. Next, refine the view with filters. Use Site to understand how performance varies by publisher inventory, country to see how geography affects results, and platform to compare engagement between mobile and desktop. Apply one filter at a time to spot clear differences or combine them when you need a very targeted slice of data. If a result looks surprising, double-check the active filters to make sure you're seeing exactly what you intend. Finally, rearrange your columns so the most important metrics are visible without scrolling. Move your priority columns, like the ones you monitor daily, closer to the left. This small adjustment saves time and helps you catch trends faster. If your focus changes, reorder the columns again so the view keeps pace with your goals. That's the core workflow. Campaigns tab as your central report, date ranges for time context, campaign selection to drill in, filters to isolate performance drivers, and column arrangement to keep critical metrics front and center. Follow this sequence each time, and you'll read Taboola reports with clarity and confidence.